helping young people. I think you're about 18 to 24 and maybe a bit more if they need help. Outreach to the community, helping children. It's very important to me, very important to you. Should be important to everyone, really, helping children. Outstanding, got a call straight away, bring your car around, got a call when it was done. The actual job that you've done is outstanding as well, so I thank you for that. Well, number one, it's for the children, it's for the future of this country. If we can get the people who aren't working, then it makes the whole country better. So if you're helping people do that, and me donating a little bit and getting my car done at the same time helps that endeavour, then I'm here for it. And all other businesses should be as well.
Thank you.